Hey guys, James here, and today I'll be showing you how you can take the Deathly Hallows Keychain from Universal Studios Orlando, or Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I guess you can get it at both. I mean, it is a keychain. And being able to turn it into a Deathly Hallows Necklace without buying the Xenophilius one from the Noble Collection. There are just some slight differences for the fact that there's not the little gem in the center here, but for any non-eagle-eyed fan, you'll be able to pass this off. And this is a nice, cheap alternative for those who cannot really afford to get the expensive Noble Collection stuff, because they are pretty darn expensive. But yeah, all you're going to need is the keychain and some long chain of sorts. And this should only cost you between about $20 to $30, which is about half the price of the actual $60 replica. Now, I'm going to show you how you can actually make this thing. So in order to make the keychain here into the necklace, what you're going to have to do is take it off the keychain, which if you don't know how to do that, I actually didn't for a very, very long time. It was very depressing. Basically, what you have to do is kind of pull this out and then slip whatever you're trying to get off through there and just keep turning it, and then it will come off the other side. That's how you put stuff on there as well. So basically, that's how you get it off the keychain, very simply. YouTube a tutorial if you really need it, but hopefully I got that to you as simply as possible. Now, what you're gonna need is a long chain of sorts. Now, this is not gonna be movie accurate. This is just gonna be just a silver chain. So yeah, it's not gonna be exactly movie accurate to Xenophilius's little necklace, but this is kind of a DIY situation where, you know, you're not wanting to buy the expensive one, which is I think 60 bucks. It's not exactly the cheapest thing ever for a necklace. So basically, what you need, you're gonna need a chain, which I got from one of those sticker sheets with the locket, Salazar Slytherin's locket. I think it was the actual locket from the cave. It was not the actual locket, which is kind of disappointing. But basically, I got one of those. It's a few bucks-ish. So this is not going to cost you a lot. It's not going to cost you at least how much the actual necklace costs. Then you just slip the chain through there, and then you... Alright, that took way too long, but basically I messed up and took off the little chain part there instead of the... This would focus, actually. Yeah, I messed up and took that little ring off instead of that off. So that took me 5 minutes to try to get that back on. But basically now you have the Deathly Hallows necklace. You have your little keychain at the bottom, nice metal thing, and then you have your nice metal chain. Yeah, that took me way too long to do. But yeah, so now you basically simple DIY. Now you have your Deathly Hallows necklace without spending the, what is it, 60 bucks on it? Yeah, you spend maybe 20 or 30 at minimum to do this. But yeah, do hope you did enjoy, guys. If you did, please leave a like rating on this video. Also, don't forget you can request Noble Collection items in the comment section down below. So if you want to see me review the actual necklace, just leave a comment saying you want to see that, and I might do it. But yeah, do hope you did enjoy, and don't forget to press the subscribe button, notification bell, so we get notified when I upload more amazing content and reviews. But yeah, do hope you did enjoy, and until the next video, guys, goodbye.